Hi everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. Today we're cooking Savory Tapenade Palmiers. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup of chopped black olives, 1 tablespoon of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella. Spread the mix onto a sheet of puff pastry. It doesn't matter whether it is a round or a rectangle. Use whatever you have at hand. Roll one side of the puff pastry into a cylinder until you get to the middle of the sheet. Then roll the other side. You can easily make this vegan by omitting or using vegan cheese, and by using vegan puff pastry. Wrap in parchment paper or cling film. I just use the paper that comes with the puff pastry. Let it rest in the freezer for 10 minutes. Cut into 1 cm slices and place them in a lined baking sheet. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until the palmiers are golden and puffed. These are perfect as vegetarian party snacks or appetizers. You could also have them for brunch. Look for the recipe in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe for more vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.